the one thing I'm gonna say is that YouTube should work hard on this. It would never happen if Google and YouTube never got sued. They should have had did another way. Alright, hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. You might see the title that I want to talk about. That Google and YouTube been sued by the FTC for 170 million. It's really serious. And for us being YouTuber creator, I wasn't going to talk about this, but I think I need to because I know I'm a small YouTuber, and I think if I talk about this will help a lot of y'all YouTuber creators. If we make videos about kids and we lie saying our videos are not by kids, we was 42,000 something, or 42,000. I think I just noticed that. And I went and do some people are not really talking about on Instagram about it, and I know people on Twitter is. I think some people probably is on Twitter, because I know I kept seeing that every time I go on Twitter. I kept seeing that you can't, if you are a YouTuber that do game videos, artwork like crafts and DIY, comparing with kids into it, you can't show it, because if you do, you will get fined for it. Me, I'm not getting paid on YouTube. I'm not getting paid because I don't care about the money. YouTube technically is like a hobby for me. And the one thing about it, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay to get paid, but the one thing is that it's messing up for a lot of the ones that are creating artworks and sketching videos. So I look up the website, and okay, I'm sorry about that. My thing just clicked off because I had too many videos on the screen that I saved this, and I went on the website about what they say. Because it says YouTube channel owners is your content directed to children. About says the Children's Online Private Protection Act rules. So I know that I heard about this one. Been trying to like do that since 2013, and I think I heard somebody said that they couldn't able to. I think they had a complaint about YouTube that they had kids videos or something. Probably somebody saw some videos or something somebody probably put up or something. I don't know for sure because I don't know that much about, because they said it been about the Children's Online Private Protect. They've been out since 1998. It says the FTC actions against YouTube and Google, and it says the lawsuit against YouTube and Google are allowed that the company legally of a personal information children's and about because of the YouTube channel. I figure out it's because kids be getting on the main YouTube app. They don't really get on the kids app. They make these apps because the kids are 13 under should be on there, and none of the kids don't want to be there because I think the parents let them get on the main apps because they love their favorite YouTubers. When I understand that they are trying to protect the kids that's under 13, I understand that, and yeah, we need to, because we do have pedophiles, perverts on the internet and stuff, because I understand that. But I am going to put down the website that I would tell y'all can go and watch it. But if y'all see it on the screen, because I know I forgot to record. Okay, right here it says how channels owners can demand if their content is directed to children. There is no one size fits all answers about what is the site directed to children. But we can offer some guides to be clear in your content isn't consigned directed to children. Have a rules that says that into it that you got to go by the rules. The subject matters. If it's into about children, that subject matters. Visions of content. The user and I'm getting very pissed off about this. I keep clicking off. Stop the recording on my phone. But if y'all see all the things I was talking about, it says about, because it says children's celebrities. Celebrities will appear to children too, and also language and other characters on sites, and whether they are promoting appearance of sites of directed to children, and it says something like that. But the one thing, I don't make kids videos. I never did. I did one time, did a react to a kid that's cursing video, and y'all pop and see that I had to delete it because just in case, because it means that if you do kids videos, delete them, because if you do kids videos, you can't have no ad. But in my videos, my brother knows that I don't make videos about kids. I don't make videos about that because I don't do that. It's messing up for a lot of creators, the ones that do. I'm sorry about this static stuff on the. It's enough. Also, they do have a petition thing they have that says that if you want to complain they had a deadline by like December the 9th is coming up. This doing a petition about it, and you want to comment on, go on there and tell them, like, when I go on my on my YouTube when I upload videos, I have to go on all my videos and put it says that I have to put like if my videos are kids videos or if it's like not. But if it's not, if my videos are not kids videos, I still have to put it and says that my videos are not kids. And the one thing, if you are making kids video and you lying about you not making kids video, that will give you a fine. Delete all your videos that if you have kids videos that you have, delete them. Just do that stuff just in case, because you might have to start all over and do videos a different way. Also for vloggers too that are doing family vlogs, it will affect them DIYs like I said. And also I did watch a lot of YouTubers that says that you can go back and watch their videos because they will explain more about it and tell you. One thing I'm gonna say this is that YouTube should work hard on this. It would never happen if Google and YouTube never got sued. They should have had another way of scanning people's videos to make sure if their videos are not about trying to prey on kids. Playing games like video games, it means that you can't play video games of like, you know, Mario video games, or like if you play video games of Mario apps or something like that, you can't play them because it's part of kids video. I like to draw. I love artworks and like draw. If I'm drawing like, you know, if I'm drawing like fashion and I'm drawing like artwork, like if I'm drawing like a clothes fashion of like that's my age figure or something like that, it means that kids can't watch the videos for that because the ones at 13 under. Okay, I gotta stop burping on my videos. It's because I'm drinking some of this, y'all. But the one thing I would let y'all know that I'm gonna give y'all some advice. Don't be worrying so much. If your videos is okay, it's not into kids videos and it's not, still go to all your videos. You gotta go all the way from the beginning to like right now and go to all your videos and put that says your videos are not kids. You don't have to delete your videos. But if your videos, some of your videos are kids videos and part of kids videos, you probably just need to delete them, because just delete them. Secondly, I feel like my videos are not about kids videos. I all make videos about sitting down and just chit chat with y'all. It's like a diary chit chat with y'all. And also I like to make videos on giving advice on about videos and things like that. So my videos is not like compared to that. I gotta work on it because I'm gonna let y'all know by January the 1st 2020, that's when they're going to do scanning on every videos. They're gonna scan all your videos from the beginning. I'm gonna just end this, but the one thing I'm gonna say is that if y'all want to have a comment and like, you know, send them a letter or something like it, it's a website that tells them that before December, you have to do it before December the night of this doing next month. Try to say a way that they shouldn't do it. They should do another way, because you got a lot of people that do positive videos that want to motivate other people of what they want to do. It's FTC of them. They are going to probably change something different. They probably. But if y'all want to be in the description box. And also I had other videos that you could go watch. Another YouTuber, I can't think of his name, but I had watched him, and he was like, he said he used to be like a YouTuber, not YouTuber, like kind of like a lawyer. He went to school for something like that, and he kind of like that to tell everything, because I had watched his videos and for it. And I'm going to be going all my videos. I gotta go all my videos and say my videos are not kids videos, and I'm going to go all my videos that I had that says about kids videos, but technically it's not, because y'all could go and see all my videos that y'all can see too, because technically all my videos are not kids videos. So like ask y'all to comment below and ask me what videos y'all want me to do, because I am going to kind of like, you know, chit chat and do videos like, you know, edit videos. I'm going to give advice on that. I'm still going to do hair videos. I still love doing hair videos. I'm not doing makeup videos no more, but I'm still going to do it often. Reaction videos. If I do reaction videos, it probably just be about music. Talk about music. I might talk about it, or might not sit down and just react to it. I might probably do like that, or YouTubers. And I want to give y'all some advice on about not to worry. That I had this app that I be using, Bible app, that it gave me some advice about it, that it tells me that I can't do. If you worrying about that, don't worry too much about it. Don't worry about tomorrow, about like from yesterday. Like I was worrying about this because of the same way, because of that day, because that you're gonna come like, ooh. But technically I'm not worrying, because I feel like it's gonna be good for my videos. It's gonna be okay. But I am a little worrying, but technically, because I don't want to say it, because if I say that it's gonna come back, and then it probably will. But I don't know, I might have to quit YouTube if this stuff happens, because YouTube need to change. I'm gonna go. I don't want to keep talking about this and stuff, because it's gonna be stressing me out like it was yesterday, talking about it so much and thinking about it too much about it. So comment below about it if y'all heard about it, about this stuff. Y'all heard it on Twitter about it, because people reading, not talking about it on Instagram about it. If y'all heard about it, just comment below. And but I'm getting back into doing a lot of other videos, because I was going to do a hair video. Because I did this myself. I was going to do a hair video, but I do that the next video. I will probably do that on the next video. So again, just be who you are. Keep creating, making videos, but make it count that you want to make, but don't make it about kids video. But I'll see y'all in my next video.